In this video we'll show you how to prepare your iMOW robotic mower for a winter break. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. To best preserve the battery, first make sure that the charge level of the iMOW is at least 50%. In addition, all access options in the My iMOW app must be deactivated for hibernation. Take your iMOW from the docking station and press the stop button once. Press and then keep the stop button pressed until the light strip fully lights up red. Pressing the stop button again will activate the device lock. Now press and hold the stop button one more time. As soon as the light strip fully lights up red, that hibernation mode is activated. A dry and locked room is ideally suited for storage. Ensure that the device is placed securely and outside the reach of children. Disconnect the power supply of the docking station from the socket and protect it against weather exposure. Afterwards, clean all components. Finally, cover the docking station with a large bucket and secure it to the ground with pegs.